Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to restrict comments and accounts on Instagram.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Instagram's restrict feature is basically a way to quietly deal with bullies and unwanted interactions on Instagram. Essentially, users can now shadow ban comments and users. There are several ways that you can restrict an account on Instagram. First, go to Instagram. Now go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture from the lower right corner. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. From Settings, go to Privacy. In Privacy settings, find the option Restricted Accounts. Tap on it. Here, you will be able to directly search for an account that you want to restrict. Just start typing their username and click the blue Restrict button. Another way you can restrict a user is directly from their profile. You can search for the person from the search option. Type the username and click on it. Then click the three dots in the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap on Restrict. You will be asked if you are having problems with the account again, and then just click Restrict Account. If you want to unrestrict an account, again go to your profile. Then click the three dots in the upper right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. From Settings, tap on Privacy. From Privacy settings, go to Restricted Accounts. You have two restricted users. Tap on the Unrestrict button whom you want to unrestrict now. Try this on the remaining one. In this way, you can restrict comments and accounts on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.